It is a great honor and genuine pleasure to be here with you today at this remarkable event. I would like to commend the organizers for their dedication and vision in creating such a platform to celebrate travel, culture, and global connection. Events like these play an important role in bringing nations and peoples closer together through shared appreciation of heritage and discovery. On behalf of the Somaliland UK Mission, the Somaliland diaspora in the United Kingdom, and the government of Somaliland, I extend my sincere thanks for inviting my team and me to be part of this memorable gathering. We are delighted to have the opportunity to present Somaliland's rich and ancient tourism landscape. On that offer visitors a truly unique and rewarding experience. Actually, I am the first Somaliland ambassador who visited this place and take part in this event. I'm glad that. Somaliland is a land of extraordinary natural beauty and deep historical significance. From the dramatic Golis, Dalo, and Shibris mountains to pristine and spoiled beaches along the Gulf of Aden. Our country offers breathtaking scenery rarely found elsewhere. Historic coastal towns such as Zayla, along with nearby islands, tell stories of ancient trade routes and civilizations, while our wildlife reserves and wide open space provide exceptional opportunities for ecotourism and adventure travel. Somaliland is also home to one of the most remarkable archaeological treasure, Las Gale. I just showed you, I think, a few minutes ago. A complex of ancient rock art dated back over 10,000 years, the oldest such known in Africa. This vividly preserved cave painting depicting early pastoral life, wildlife, and rural scene are among the most significant and best conserved examples of prehistory art on the continent. Las Gale stands as a powerful testament to Somaliland's deep historical roots and its long-standing connection to human civilization. For those traveling from the United Kingdom, I would always advise checking the latest Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office travel guidance. However, I wish to reassure potential visitors that Somaliland has enjoyed peace and stability for many years. Security is taken extremely seriously and is safeguarded by professional security forces working closely with the local communities. These efforts ensure that travelers visiting Somaliland for business, investment, or leisure are welcomed into a safe and well-managed environment. Despite facing decades of diplomatic challenges and limited international engagement, Somaliland has continued to build its institutions, maintain internal stability, and strengthen its relationship with partners around the world. Thank you. These efforts are focused on improving infrastructure, enhancing tourism service, and creating a more traveler-friendly environment that meets international expectations. Ladies and gentlemen, Somaliland is open, welcoming, and ready to be discovered. We invite you to explore a destination that offers authenticity, history, natural beauty, and genuine hospitality. I am confident that those who choose to visit Somaliland will leave with lasting memories and deeper appreciation of our country and its people. Thank you once again, and I wish you all success and inspiring events. Thank you.
And that's very